Hi everyone, welcome back once again to daily job sharing series. So basically what does we do? We create a video where we are going to share you a couple of job links which is available for the cybersecurity, for the freshers and for the experience. So that's what we are going to do in this video. So let me quickly start. Before that, this is a disclaimer, which means whatever job links I'm going to share with you, just authenticate from your end because I don't want any one of you to be a part of any scam, right? Now let's get started. So this is the first opening that we have, but guys wait till last of this video because we have for freshers as well. You can see there's a walk-in interview on 3rd of July, okay, which is in Mumbai, and this is for infra VAPT and application security, pen tester for the application security, right? Who can apply? Those who are having 2 to 4 years of experience, or those who have cybersecurity fundamental strong. All those you can see like all those knowledge is required, right? Who's why you should find them? They are the mail ID. Like if you want to apply for VAPT infra, if you want to apply for application security, you can do this. By the way, follow this step and please mention that you are willing to attend the walk-in drive on 3rd of July because guys, it's something great, right? Probably in this you might get hired if you have good experience or something like just try to be aligned with this and you will get hired, right? By the way, from day after tomorrow, there is a training of internship batch starting on web application pen testing. So join from here, top link viehgroup.com/tci. Anyways, next opening is Thai Art Tech LLP. They are hiring for the 4 month internship. This is on SOC, VAP digital forensics, and red teaming. This is the link on which you can apply, and here you can send your resume. Right. Next is Dr. CVS Cybersecurity Services LLP is hiring for a couple of positions. First is for GRC, Information Security, and GRC Specialist. 2 years experience required. This is what you need to fill out the form, and this is a QR code you can scan to apply for this job role. Right. By the way, this is a website. If you want any other details, you can check out from here. Next is someone is hiring for application security engineer, 2 to 4 years of experience required. And this is from where you can apply. So guys, just take a screenshot and go on Google Lens and you can copy out this URL, right? So that you can apply. Otherwise, just let me know in the comment box. I'll just drop it out. Next is Demis Technology Private Limited is hiring for 3 position on VAPT, which is in Gujarat, Ahmedabad. And you can see like 2 years of experience required in cybersecurity training and VAPT and all those things. This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. The other things which is required subject, you need to write what position you're applying and what is your name, right? Next is security tester, VAPT engineer job is there. Someone is hiring 3 to 5 years of experience is required. Mohali, Noida will be the work from office location. Immediate joining will be preferred. The other skills which is required, right? You will see here, and this is mail ID on which you can drop your resume. So there is one more opening which is for the intern, network security, application security, cloud security, red teaming, blue teaming, cyber security intern, SOC and penetration testing. This is a mail ID. This is a link from where you can apply for the internship. Right? Guys, next is VAPT analyst, which is in Gurgaon. VAPT analyst is position 2 to 5 years experience required, which is full time. This knowledge is required. OWASP top 10 is compulsory. You need to somehow learn this thing. And please mention all those things so that you can get. And this is the mail ID on which you can drop this, right? Guys, that's what we have for today. This is Cyber Coffee YouTube channel, which is cybersecurity Hindi, and you're going to learn a lot more thing there, right? And if you're looking for internship on web application pen testing, check out this. If you're looking for SOC, check out this. So that's what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind. You can join our Telegram as well.